everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. Today, I'll be guiding you through how you can change your email address on Facebook. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. You can easily change your email address on Facebook, on your desktop or your mobile in a few quick steps. Tap open your Facebook application first and make sure you're signed into your account. From your home page of Facebook, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right corner, and from this page, tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings one more time. You'll be taken to a new screen which features your account information. From the top of the screen, under Account Settings, tap on Personal Information. On the Personal Information screen, you'll be able to see your Contact Info tab. Tap on Contact Info and you'll be able to see all of the email that are associated with your account. Click on Add Email at the bottom of the screen, and under Add an additional email address, type in a new email address, and a confirmation code will be sent to the email address. Open your email address and type in the confirmation code sent to you. Once you do that, tap on the email address that you just entered, and if you wish to, you can make it a primary email address by tapping on Make Primary. That is how you can change your Facebook email address. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.